What's going on, fam? Kurt with Caribbean. So we're all going through this together. It's insane what's going on in our world right now. But I was thinking, how do I help? How do I make it better? What I'm going to be starting today is a series of what I call lockdown or struggle meals, or just ways to stretch the food that you have for your family. So let's start off with our crock-pot chicken and rice. Come with me, let's go. So here we have the ingredients for our crock-pot chicken and rice. I have 1 cup of water combined with 1 cup of chicken broth. That's 2 cups. I have 1 cup of rice. I'm using drumsticks because that's what I have in my freezer. And when you're in a struggle, you just use what you have. If you have thighs, use that. If you have breast, you can use that. I have 1 can of diced tomatoes mixed with habaneros, which is going to kick the flavor of the rice up. And I have good old-fashioned guaranteed Calypso seasoning that's going to cover these chicken drumsticks. And then we're going to brown them on a cast iron skillet prior to putting them in the crock pot. So first I'm going to go ahead and get our cast iron skillet warmed up. Always remember, don't go on high on cast iron. You want to keep it at a medium low, so I've got it at around 4. Get that warmed up. We're going to go ahead and take our good trusty Calypso seasoning. We're going to cover these drumsticks liberally. It's got a nice combination of flavors. Kids will enjoy it, no problems. Let's go ahead and cover the other side. Alrighty, like I said, really easy, really quick, really simple, stretch your meal. Now that I have this covered liberally, we're gonna go ahead and brown these in the cast iron skillet prior to going to our crock pot steps. Alrighty, our cast iron skillet is heated up. Let's do the hand and water test. Yep, we're definitely getting some sizzle. We're not cooking these drumsticks all the way through. We're just browning the outside so that they get up to temp nicely in the crock pot. If you cook these all the way through, they may come out a little bit dry. Let's go ahead and add these in. You're gonna brown them for about 3 minutes per side, and then we'll go on to the next steps. While that chicken's browning, let's go ahead and get our rice set up. So we're going to take our crock pot. I like to spray it down so we don't have anything sticking on the sides. I'm just using just plain old extra virgin olive oil. We're going to go ahead and add our 1 cup of rice. We're going to go ahead and add our 2 cups, which is 1 cup water, 1 cup chicken broth. Like I said, struggle meal, got to stretch it out. Add that to the rice. Let's bring this in closer. Let's go ahead and add our tomatoes with habaneros and then give this a really good stir. We're gonna go ahead and put this on high for 3.5 hours after we add the chicken to it. So stay tuned. Okay, so I just flipped these over. We have the chicken browned on both sides. It smells delicious in here with the Calypso. We're gonna go ahead and take these drumsticks and lay them on the top of the crock pot, and we'll go to the next step. Alrighty, gonna add one more step here. We're gonna add a little bit of Calypso to this rice, really kick this flavor up, make it enjoyable. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our drumsticks on top of the rice. And we're gonna go ahead and put this on high for 3.5 to 4 hours. Let's look inside there. It's not really crowded. We're gonna go high, 3.5, 4 hours, and come back and look at it at the end. So we're right about an hour in. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 sprigs of rosemary on top. I'll let this continue to cook, but as you can see, the rice is starting to absorb the water. It's getting nice and swollen. We have the chicken and the diced tomatoes and habaneros all mixing in well together. We'll be back. So here we are 3.5 hours later. We have what looks to me like perfect chicken and rice. Drumsticks are done. We have our nice flaky rice in here with our diced tomatoes and habaneros. If you want to boost this up, you can add veggies to your rice, frozen vegetables. You can use thighs, You can use wings. You can use whatever you have. We're gonna do a whole bunch more videos of showing you how to cook really quick, easy, affordable meals. Thank you so much. Like or comment below. Let us know what you want to see. Kurt with Caribbean, out.